Hello there. In today's video, we are going to learn something very interesting. Have you ever wondered whether you could use your laptop as a Bluetooth speaker or not? If you have wondered this, then I have the answer to this question, and that is yes. And today we are going to learn to cast the sound of our phones to our laptops, which is going to be quite interesting. So stay tuned till the end. If you have any questions or queries, put them in the comment section, and if you want to contact me, send me an email to guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces. And you can connect with me on my socials using the links in the description box. Before we get started, I would just like to tell you that this video is going to be an audio only video wherein you will hear only the sound of my voice and the screen reader. And for the low vision or sighted users watching this video, you won't be able to see the screen. Also, you might hear variations in the quality of audio and microphone, and that is due to the audio heavy editing which will be done in this video. And this is so that I can provide you with the best audio quality since the primary audience is blind users. So, forgive me if there are variations in audio quality of this video. And with that, let's get right into it. So, how do you cast your sound to your laptop? You may ask. What you have to do is basically, first of all, just turn on Bluetooth on your laptop, which you would do by pressing Windows V,
Show hidden icons button.
right arrow,
OneDrive, privacy, tray, and network, Galaxy.
and press enter on your network name, whatever it might be. I am doing this so that I can go to my quick settings.
Quick settings grouping.
And this is the network name where I have pressed. It was my Wi-Fi network. So it might show, for your case that there are no available networks or maybe networks available not connected, depending upon what situation you are in.
Bluetooth toggle button not pressed 2 of 11.
I'm pressing right arrow and I can see Bluetooth toggle button not pressed, which I would just press space on.
Space pressed.
And similarly, I would turn on Bluetooth on my phone. So here I will just open my notifications panel. In some phones, you have the feature of swiping on the fingerprint sensor so that you can turn on you can go to your notifications panel, or you can swipe down using two fingers.
Notification shape. Notification. Application. Open settings button. Wi-Fi off button. Mute on. Bluetooth off button.
I'll press here.
On. Scanning in progress. Bluetooth.
And now I will go back to my laptop.
Stop scanning.
This device is scanning for other devices so that it can connect to Bluetooth, but I will not connect using my phone. Now I will come back to my laptop and I will press on my start window.
Search window. Search.
Here I will search for an application called Bluetooth Audio Receiver, which you will have to install from the Microsoft Store, and I will provide you with the link in the description box so that you can install it.
B. Be my eyes. L. Bluetooth and other devices settings. System settings. Press right to view. Find results and apps. Click enter to see more apps. 2 of 5. Apps group. Bluetooth audio receiver app. Press right to view options.
This is my app. I'll press enter.
Bluetooth audio receiver. Bluetooth audio receiver window.
Now I will tab. If your Bluetooth is not turned on, it will not show it properly.
List item not selected 1 of 3.
There is a list which is showing you the name of your devices, and I have like many phones in my house, right? So I had connected them to my laptop just for experimental purposes, and so it is showing the names of those phones over here. The problem with this app is that it is not going to, tell you the name of the device that you are focused on. So you will have to either take the help of a sighted person or just press enter on random devices until you are on the right device. So you can down arrow.
List item 2 of 3. List item 3 of 3.
These are the three list items.
List item 1 of 3.
And I think my device should be the first one, so I'll press enter. Now I'll press tab.
Open connection button.
And I'll press enter here.
List item 1 of 3.
My device was not the first one, it was the second one. So as soon as I pressed on open connection, now when I swipe,
Fatima Boat Rockers 255 Pro. Home. Voice recorder. WhatsApp. Out of pager.
you can see that the sound of my phone is coming through the laptop.
Messages. WhatsApp. Untitled. Chat filters revealed. WhatsApp. Selected. Chats 2 new notifications. Tab. Chats. 1 UI home. WhatsApp. Out of list.
I'll just play a YouTube video so that you guys can hear how that sounds as well.
Tab SM fold. YouTube. 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 Notifications. Button. Naukri Kasamahan. New. Naukri Action menu. Shorts. Music. 6 comedy clubs. Podcasts. Selected. All. 3 of 17. You. But. You. YouTube. Install Vocalizer TTS on your Windows PC to use with NVDA 9 minutes 13 seconds. Guidance for the blind. Play. Action. Basic text editing using VoiceOver on iPhone. Part 1. Basic text selection and deletion. Double tap to show controls.
Once you're
Video
in the
player.
menu,
Out of
you
list.
now
Double tap to
scroll, swipe right, you hear rotor. Now that
play video. Button.
So this is how it works and this is how it sounds. The thing is that you need to make sure that this app,
Bluetooth audio receiver,
Bluetooth audio receiver, is open. Like you can go out of this app, maybe on WhatsApp, for example.
search window W, WhatsApp app, WhatsApp pane.
Okay, you can go to WhatsApp or whatever, but make sure that you don't close this app. Okay, if you close the app, if you press Alt F4 and close the app, the connection is going to be lost. So in order to keep the connection open, you have to make sure that your Bluetooth audio receiver is turned on. Sorry, is always open. So that, guys, is how you cast the sound of your phone to your laptop. And you might have heard that there were some distortions, and yeah, there are distortions, but it is okay to hear. Like if you are a teacher, if you want to share the sound of TalkBack via Zoom, then you can do that using this method, because it's hard to share TalkBack sounds via Zoom, right? Also, if you want to hear your phone's TalkBack in your laptop somehow, for some reason, you can use this method, and it is a pretty straightforward method. So that, guys, is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.